Join me as I challenge myself to make the perfect fried rice using the tips from a pro chef. In this video, you'll learn how a professional chef makes perfect fried rice and discover some essential tips to recreate this dish at home. Many home cooks struggle with achieving that ideal texture and flavor in fried rice, often resulting in mushy or bland dishes. You know, like when your rice decides to form a union and stick together. It's frustrating when you put in the time and effort only to end up with a disappointing meal. Let's break it up, shall we? One of the main reasons for this is the lack of understanding about the basics of cooking fried rice. There's more to it than just throwing a bunch of ingredients together in a wok. The key to success lies in the preparation, the technique, and the attention to detail. By mastering these elements, you can take your fried rice game to the next level, and that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. Fried rice is a staple dish in many cuisines, and it's amazing how a simple combination of ingredients can be elevated to a culinary masterpiece with the right techniques. From the Chinese to the Koreans, each culture has its own unique twist on this classic dish. But what makes a good fried rice great? Is it the type of rice used, the ratio of ingredients, or the cooking method? We'll dive into all these factors and more to uncover the secrets of making perfect fried rice. When it comes to fried rice, the devil is in the details. It's the little things that make a big difference, like the quality of the rice, the freshness of the vegetables, and the balance of flavors. By paying attention to these details, you can create a dish that's not only delicious, but also visually appealing, and that's what sets a good fried rice apart from a great one. We'll explore key ingredients, the importance of using day-old rice, and the techniques that make all the difference in achieving that perfect fry. The type of rice used is crucial, as it affects the texture and flavor of the final dish. Day-old rice is essential, as it allows the rice to dry out slightly, making it easier to stir-fry and giving it a better texture. We'll also cover the importance of using the right vegetables, proteins, and seasonings to create a balanced flavor profile. Using the right cooking techniques is also vital in making perfect fried rice. From the heat control to the stirring method, every step counts. We'll show you how to achieve that perfect woki flavor, which is the smoky caramelized flavor that comes from cooking the ingredients quickly over high heat. You'll learn how to stir-fry the ingredients efficiently so you can achieve that perfect texture and presentation. Watch as I demonstrate the final steps of cooking the fried rice, showcasing the sizzling action and the vibrant colors that signal a delicious meal. You'll see how all the ingredients come together to create a dish that's not only mouth-watering, but also visually stunning. The aroma of the fried rice will tantalize your senses, making you want to dig in and savor every bite. As I add the finishing touches to the dish, you'll notice the vibrant colors of the vegetables, the savory aroma of the seasonings, and the appealing texture of the cooked rice. This is what perfect fried rice looks like, and it's achievable with a little practice and patience. To wrap up, we've covered the essential tips and techniques for making perfect fried rice, ensuring a delicious outcome every time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other cooking tutorials and let me know your favorite fried rice variations in the comments below. Orange Hut signing out. Hut.